have been asking me about the pains of change. I tell them, ask a flower how it digs the rain. The kind that kicks it sideways, uproots and estranges it down a random stream. Too much of anything ain't no good. Maybe fortune has you misunderstood. Sometimes the hand that feeds becomes the hand that maims, and the same applies to your dreams. I mean, we're all on that lonely road to home, and everybody's heard that song. Just like that uprooted flower, you sing it when you don't know where you belong. Once there was a place I called my home. One day I was struck with the need to roam, boxed up my things and pushed off singing that song I was talking about. Stop number one, I found my new family and brought a few to stop number two with me. And now it's just me hitting stop number three, and where it is I haven't worked out. Each place starts strange, only to feel the same as before the more I move along. And those friends by my side become friends on my mind, but for now maybe that's where they belong. You picked a funny day, May 31st. Kind of sunny, kind of rainy, but it could be worse. But you still call me on a day that really put me to work. Into that I can't pretend. But back to those kids, they're students of mine. I put sugar on these words just to keep them from crying, cause the story of the flower is an autobio, and I don't know how it ends. The stream can sputter me to the garden of gutter, but in the meantime it's making me strong.